Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very classy, and at the same time it would be very helpful and useful for you if you are an embroidery beginner, if you are an embroidery artist, if you are an embroidery lover, or if you want or like stuff made by help of hand art. And if you want to be a designer of your own by sitting at your home and you are in search of very creative, amazing yet stylish ideas of dress designing, then friends, you are at the right place. This video is absolutely for you. So without wasting any further sort of time, let's move towards the details of the embroidery patterns, of the dress designs, of the stitching patterns, and much more related to designing stuff and hand embroidery patterns. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And stay tuned with our latest updates, because we are going to share creative and amazing, very useful, very popular, very trendy, and all-time favorite latest collection in every category of women fashion. So friends, as far as we are concerned with the hand embroidery patterns, then you can use exactly these patterns, or you can also minimize or maximize the work of hand embroidery as shown in the dresses as per your choices. And one more thing, friends, you can use anchor, DMC, butterfly threads for making these patterns. And if you want some more thicker pattern or a 3D fluffy look, then kindly use hand embroidery wool for making these patterns. And only two prerequisites: you need a embroidery frame and an embroidery needle to start making. And as far as we are concerned about the fabric of the dress that you are going to make, then you can use soft, lawn, linen, cotton, blended stuff, blended fabrics, jacquard, block printing, some sort of light printed, or some simple plain lawn cotton fabrics. All of these would go absolutely fine and perfect with them. Friends, all of them are very beautiful, different patterns of neckline designing, like side neckline, like round collar band designing, like bot neck design, like short v-neck, deep v-necks, and much more according to the different choices and categories of girls' fashion desires and choices. I hope that my today's video is entertaining for you and you are getting very amazing and stylish ideas. Friends, all of these kurti designs are very delicate. You can use them for going to your office as formal dresses, because they are very soft, lightweight, and as well as they look decent, elegant, and classy. You can pair up them with your, if you want to create an Eastern look, then with your plazos, with your trousers, capris. And if you want to create some sort of Western look, then you can absolutely use these shirts with your pants, denim, jeans, tight cigarette pants, shorter capris. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Kindly share my video massively with your friends and family, and allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you with some new content in my new videos. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, stay positive, and spread positivity.